Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to stop people from mentioning you on Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open the Threads application. Make sure that you are logged into the app. When you open Threads, you want to click here on this little profile picture icon in order to go to your profile. Now we want to tap on these two lines at the top right corner of the screen. It will open our app settings. Now click on this privacy option. Then tap on this mentions button right below the private profile option, and it says here choose who can mention you to link your profile in their threads, replies, or bio. We have the option for everyone to mention us profiles we follow, or no one if you want to stop the mentions completely. Then tap on the no one button. Then no one will be able to mention you in their posts, replies, and other stuff if you don't want to completely disable this. You can choose the profiles you follow, and then only they will be able to mention you on Threads. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.